I'm going to be doing an export report, and if I go into the formatting options, I then have to choose what type of data formatting am I wanting to apply to this set of 3 vars records. And so I'm just going to show you the Word continuous text option. This is a way within Vernon to just get a quick dump of the text data from a record into a text document or a Word document, and that might be the starting point for a curator writing a handwritten wall label. So you're just wanting some way to quickly extract the data from a record for some subset of fields. Because it's an export, I need to pick a file that I'm going to send that to. So I could use the open folder button to browse for a place, but I already know on my computer that I've got a folder that's just called temp. So let's just call this temp vases. And Vernon exports text files, so I can just say .txt on the end so that Windows also knows that's a text file. I can then choose the fields that I'm wanting to include, so I could just include some basic information about the record, maybe the accession number, the title, what type of object, the description, and perhaps some of the production information. So I can run my report from the last tab. And now if I switch in Windows to that folder where I sent it to, we can see it's created that file. I can choose to right click and open that with an application. Because it's a text file, it's defaulting to WordPad, which is a text editor, but I can say choose another app and open that directly in Word. It's just asking me to confirm what data format this is. The default will be correct, so Vernon supports Unicode characters. And so now we've just got the plain text of those records in a Word document to then edit or reuse however we wish. So that's just a simple way of getting the basic data out of the record to use for any other purpose.